ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong ya Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik upanai March haka porship ho bajem step hashulong tura but clear.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad Kongkol Sangma ringkat ke jing sendran lang jung Chief Secretary ke Jelau ubah Donald P. Wak lang bagi officer jung kitanat terekam berper-per ke Sarkar Jelau kentup ru ke nong tere jung kitanat forest haka janme kalai terik luber arah jar pusau Leit Sngewlem pentingan yaki bahinga sem halo ke jing klat no jung officer IFS ungahan syang lui kham ula penkot ila ke jong ke jing em hau telai pasi habuk ke ying sa jong u kabadan hajan ke Lirikin College Shillong Nakaliang jom Menteri Rangba ke Jela habukran hakani ke jinglang Sngewlem ulapen paw ke jing Sngewsi bot ongru bagi jing klat no jong lui kham kalong ke jing du ke bakrau ke Sarkar Meghalaya kham tam ke tanat forest bot kum juru ke bahinga sem bagi parlo ke biajan bat u Kalkum ke jing tip bala yo lum ya ke met jong officer IFS on sepin ke no shnong ukro jong ke Jela Manipur na ke bentaban pendep ya ke liat niam ke bakhado.
It was a very sudden news that we got and a very shocking news. And for a few moments I could not even digest, in fact, this news that had come to us so suddenly. I, as the Chief Minister of the state and also as the Minister in charge of Forest, I had the opportunity to work with Leit in different capacities, and very often, I must tell you this, very often the Chief Secretary and I used to have a lot of discussion about the Forest Department, and his name is one name that used to always shine as a person who was very efficient and very committed to what he used to do. And I must say it sounds very difficult at this point to say this, and I'm sure Chief Secretary will recollect those moments when we were literally working and planning on giving him many more responsibilities. And it was a shocking moment, as I said, in the morning when we heard the news. And I really don't have any words to say right now. This is a very heavy moment for all of us, and I'm sure it is even a much more difficult moment for the family. And I don't think there's anything that I can say or anybody can say today that would bring any kind of consolation to their hearts and be able to really go through this very difficult moment. So, Madam, I really don't know. I'm wordless. I mean, I don't have any words to say anything to you right now. But all I can say on behalf of our government and also on behalf of the entire Forest Department that we have really lost somebody very important to us. I'm sure that the loss to you is even more, and something that I don't think anybody, any words or any deeds can replace. But even for us as a government and even as an official, the contributions he made is something that will be something that we will really miss in one sense, and the kind of, as I said, the work that we felt that he was capable of doing and he was doing is something that will be of a great loss to the state government. Tell you that we are there in every way possible. It is a great loss for you, and it is a great loss for the government and the Forest Department also. All the colleagues are here right now. Every single officer from the Forest Department is here right now. And we are mourning along with all of you on this very, very great loss that you have had. So please accept our condolences that we would like to give at this moment to you and to the family. And we pray to Almighty. I know that all the prayers we do may not even make up for the difficult times that you're facing, but we do pray that God will give you the strength, give your family the strength in this very difficult and trying times to be able to accept what He has plans for you and to be able to move forward in your life. I once again, on behalf of the government and on behalf of especially the Forest Department, express my deepest condolences to you, and may the soul of a departed friend rest in eternal peace.